Welcome everyone. Let me start with a question. If I ask you, if you find the square of this number, what will be the last 4 digits of that square? So can you answer it? If you know the answer, please pause the video and let me know the answer. Here in this video, I am going to discuss the concept of duplex, and using the concept of duplex, you will be able to find the square of any number. And in competitive exam, they ask a lot of questions where they ask you to find the last 3 digits, last 2 digits, last digits. So a student discuss a different method, but this method here will work for all kind of problems. So let us start. Before I move forward, let us quickly understand that how the duplex of a number is calculated. So if you have a single digit number, suppose 4, then duplex of a single digit number is just the square of this number. If I ask you how do you calculate of the duplex of a 2 digit number, so suppose you have 2 digit number like AB, then in that case you multiply A by B, you get AB, and then you multiply this A by B and you again get AB, so the duplex is 2AB. If I ask you how will you calculate the duplex of ABC, so you take ABC here and then do the crosswise multiplication, A into C, and then B into B. So you will get AC plus B square, then it is 2AC plus B square. Similarly, if I ask you what is the duplex of ABCD, so you just can write one over the other and one below the other rather, and then you just do the cross multiplication. So A into D, AD, A into D, AD means this number multiplied to this and this to this, and here you multiply B to C and B to C, so you get B into C plus B into C. So what is the final answer? The final answer is 2AD plus 2BC. Similarly, if you have a 5 digit number, suppose I have something like A, B, C, D, E and A, B, C, D, E, then you can guess that A will be multiplied into E, so you will get AE. This A will be multiplied into E, so again you will get AE, so it will become 2AE. B will be multiplied into D and B will be multiplied into D, so BD plus BD will give you 2BD, and then C into C is equal to C squared. So this is how you calculate the duplex, and it can be calculated for any number, and the process I hope is clear to you. Okay, so before I proceed forward, let us quickly calculate the duplex of this number. So, and I will represent the duplex of a number by D. So D of 7, just a square of it, 49. If I ask you what is duplex of 23, so it is 2 into 2 into 3, so that is equal to 12. If I ask you what is duplex of 145, so it is 2 into 1 into 5 plus 4 square, so that is equal to 10 plus 16, so 26. Okay, and if I ask you what is duplex of 2654, so you can easily guess it, that it is 2 into 2 into 4, the first product of first and last, multiplied by 2, and plus 6 into 5, so 2 times 6 into 5. So how much is that? 4 into 4, 16 plus 12 into 5, 60. So the answer is 76. If I ask you what is the duplex of 13265, so this is 2 into 1 into 5 plus 2 into 3 into 6 plus 2 square. So it is 10 plus 3 into 2, 6 into 6, 36 plus 4. So what we get is 50. So I hope the process of calculating the duplex of a number is clear to you. Now using the concept of duplex, we can find the square of any number. So let us do that. So to find the square of a 2 digit number, suppose we have a number like AB, then AB square is written as duplex of A slash duplex of AB slash duplex of B, and then we adjust the term appropriately, and that I will explain through this example. So suppose I take 43 square. So if I have to find the square of 43, I will write duplex of 4 then I will write duplex of 43, and then duplex of 3. So you can see that there is a pattern. We will start with single digit, then second digit, 2 digit, and then if we have a 3 digit number, then 3 digits, and then we will go back from 3 to 2 and then 2 to 1. So I will explain through multiple example, don't worry. So duplex of actually 4 is 16, so I just write 16. And here the duplex of 43 is how much? If you take 43, 4 into 3, 12, and 12 into 2, so 12 into 2 is 24. So you write it like 2, 4. Now this is important to notice that for each term here, for each slash term that we are putting here, in between that duplex term that we are calculating, I'll be writing the single digit, and other digits will be taken as the carryover term. So I will first write it like this. And if I write duplex of 3, I will be getting 9. Now what we have to do next is that this term 2 should be taken into the next side, I mean left side, means this 16 plus 2, it will become 18, and then it will be 4 and 9. Because this was the actually the first one in this series, so I am writing it 16. If otherwise I would also have written it 6 and then 1 in the below 6, so that that term can be taken forward to the left side. Let us take one more example to understand it. So suppose I have to find the square of 74. So I will write duplex of 7, then I will write duplex of 74, and then I will write duplex of 4. So what it will be? It will be 49. So this is the first term, so I am writing just 49. Here it is 7 into 4, 28 into 2, 56. So how I will write it? I will write 5 and then 6. Because this 5, I have to write a single digit here, and this 5 will be taken into the left side of this slash. And here we are getting 16, so I will write it as 1, 6. Now I will adjust the term. So if I will take this 5 in this side, it will become how much? 49 plus 5 is 54. And this 1, if I add to this, means this 1 will be added to this 6, so it will become 7 and then 6. So what we got? We got 5476. Let us do this problem. So what is duplex of 8? Duplex of 8, then duplex of 86, and then duplex of 6. I am writing it to explain. As a student, if you are doing it in any situation, you can directly write it. So duplex of 8 will be 64 without much thought. And here it is 8 into 6, 48 into 2 is 96. So I will write 9 and then 6. And 36, so I will write 3 and 6. And I will adjust the terms now. So if I take this 9 in this side, it will become how much? 64 plus 9, that is 73. And 6 and this 3 will become 9 and 6. So what we are getting is 7396. I hope it is making sense to you. Similarly, you can find the duplex of any other number as well. Now I am going to take an example of a 3-digit number, and you can see that to find the duplex of a 3-digit number, rather it should be the square of a 3-digit number, because we already have talked about how to find the duplex. So it should be the square of a 3-digit number, where what did I write here in this part? Finding the square. Okay, so here it should be the square of a 3-digit number. And if I have to find the ABC square, I will write duplex of A, then duplex of AB, and then duplex of ABC, duplex of BC, and duplex of C. It means now I hope you have understood the pattern. If I have to find the square of a 4-digit number, ABCD square, what will I write? I will write duplex of A, then I will write duplex of AB, and then I will write duplex of ABC, then D of ABCD. It is better to call it D because calling duplex every time is taking effort. And then I will write, continuing this, I will write duplex of, now I have reached to the maximum digit, so now I am going to trace it backwards. So ABCD, so next will be BCD. I hope you got it. Next will be duplex of CD, and then duplex of D. So did you note what is the process? That first start with A, then AB, then ABC, then ABCD, and then BCD, CD, and D. If I ask you what will be for a 5-digit number, so can you quickly guess it? Let me start from the beginning here so that we have a space. So if I ask you what is the duplex of a 5-digit number, so let me increase the thickness also. These are also some of the challenges we come across when creating the video. So ABCDE square, ladies and gentlemen, it will be duplex of A, a duplex of AB, then duplex of ABC, then duplex of ABCD, then duplex of ABCDE, and then duplex of BCDE, and then D of CDE, and then duplex of DE, and finally the duplex of E. Some of you might be thinking that it is going to take a lot of time, but this problem will be very useful in case if we are finding the last few digits. So that I will explain through some example, don't worry. So look at this 522 square, just quickly solve this problem. So 522 square is what? Duplex of 5, okay, then duplex of 52, and then duplex of 522, then duplex of 22, and then duplex of 2. So if there are 3-digit number, there are 5 duplexes that I am calculating. First term, so there is nothing to be worried about. I will just write 25. Now 5 into 2 into 2, 2AB, that is for 2-digit number 2AB. So 5 into 2 is 10 and 10 into 2 is 20. So I will write 20, but while writing 20, I will write 0 in the place here and 2 under it, so that these 2 can be taken into the left side. What is duplex of 522? So 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 2, 20, 20 plus 4, so 24. So I will write it 2 and 4. And what is the duplex of 22? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. So I will write 8, just a single digit number. And here also the duplex of 2 is equal to 4. So now I need to do the adjustment. So this 2 will be taken into the left side. So 25 will become 27. This 2 I can take here. So this 0 plus 2 will become 2. And then, this will be 484. So 484. So this is what the square of this number 522 will be. Okay. So now let us calculate the duplex of 743. Should I write directly this time? Duplex of 7, 49. Then 74, 7 into 4, 28 into 2, 56. Then 743, 7 into 3, 21 into 2, 42, and 42 plus 16. So 58. So I will write 5 and 8. Then 43. So 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 2, 24. And then 9. So now I need to do the adjustment. So what will be this? 49 plus 5 will be 54. And then if I take 5 in this side, this 6 and 5 will become 11. So again I will take 1 as here the term which I will be taking in the left side as a carryover term, because I can't write 2-digit term in place of this. So this 5 I took in the left hand side, so it became 54, and now 6 plus 5 is 11. So I'm writing it like this. And what will be this here? 8 plus 2 is 10, right? So again I will be writing 1 and 0. And now it is 4 and 9. So let us do one more adjustment. So what is that adjustment? 54 plus 1 will become 55. This 1 plus 1 will become 2, and then 0, 4 and 9. So this is what the square of 743 will look like, 552, 0, 49. Okay. Now moving forward, this is something that I feel will be very, very interesting for you. And if you have reached here, certainly it is kind of some question that you can solve in your competitive exam. So they are asking find the last 3-digit number of this. Now I am explaining this because this is the first problem. So I am going into the detail and then in the coming problem I am going to solve it directly. So just to understand it, first of all, if I ask you how will you find the square of this number, so it will be like duplex of 6, duplex of 63, d of 635, then d of 6358, then d of 63589, then d of 3589, continuing d of 589, then d of 89, and then d of 9. Okay. So since we want last 3 digits, so we don't have to look at all these duplex term. we just look at the last three duplexes. And when I will be writing in a general situation, I won't be writing all the details. Like for this problem, and now it is clear that what will be the last duplex term. Last duplex term will be 9, duplex of 9. Then second last will be 89. And prior to that, it will be D of 589. So I'll be just writing this. This whole expansion I wrote just to explain. While solving the problem, I will just look at this term. Now if you calculate this, this will be duplex of 9 will be what? Duplex of 9 will be 81. So you write 81 like this. 8 will be the carryover term. And 89 will be what? 8 into 9 is 72, and 72 into 2 is 144. So you write 14 as the carryover term and 4. And if you look at 589, these are big numbers, so that is why the carryover term is more. So 9 into 5 is 45, 45 into 2 is 90, 90 plus 64, so 154, right? So here I can write 154 because we want the last three digits, so I'm writing just 154, right? If I want last four digit, then I will be writing 4 and 15 under it. Now I just adjust the terms, so this 14 will go in this side, so it will become 154 and plus 14, so 168, right? And this 4 and 8 will become 12, so I should write it 1 and 2, right? And then 1. Now one more adjustment will be done. This 1 and 8 will be added, means it will become 1, 6, 9, 2, 1, right? 2, 1. Now we want the last three digits, so if I just remove the slash, it is like 9, 2, 1. See, you should not consider that the last four digit will be 6, 9, 2, 1, because for that I have to calculate the duplex of this term also, 3, 5, 8, 9. But we wanted the last three digits, so the answer for this question is that what is the last three digit of this square, so it is 9, 2, 1. I hope you got it. In case if you didn't, let us look at the next problem. So in this, they are asking the last four digit. So now I think I should not write the detail. I should just write the last four duplex. So here I will have duplex of 4. Then I will have duplex of 54. Then I will have duplex of 954. And here I will have duplex of 8954. I ignore the previous terms. So what I will write here? I will write 16, 4 square, 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 2, that is 40, so 4 and 0. And then 954, so 9 into 4 is 36, 36 into 2, 72, 72 plus 25, 5 square, so 72 and plus 25 is 97. So I write 9 and 7. And here I will have how much? 8 into 4, 32, 32 into 2, 64, 64 plus how much? 64, let me write it here, and 9 into 5 is 45, 45 into 2 is 90. So I will get 154, right? So let me write 154 here, because this is the last in extreme left term, so I'm writing it like 154. So let us do the adjustment. So what will be the adjustment? This 9 will move to this side, so it will become a 163. This 4 will move to this side, so 7 plus 4 will become 11, so I will write 1, 1. And this 1 will be added to 0, so it will become 1, and then this 6 will remain as such. Now one more adjustment is needed, so this 1 will be added, it will become 164, then 1, then 1, and then 6. So what are the last four digit? Last four digit is 4. I remove the slash, 1, 1, 6. So if you write the square of this number, the last four digit will be 4116. And you can see that how easy it has become. If you just multiply this, it will be a very time consuming process, because it is a kind of 7-digit number and you just have to multiply, and then no, it will be like very tedious. But if you use the duplex process, it is very easy. So let us solve quickly some more problems. So if I look at this problem now, if I have to find the last four digit, what I will be writing? I will be writing duplex of 3. Then here I will be writing duplex of 13. Then D of 213, right? And here I will be writing duplex of 3213. Okay, gentlemen. So what we are getting? We are getting 9 here. Here we are getting 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, right? and here we are getting 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12, and 12 plus 1 13. So I write it 1 3. And I hope you understood what is the process of calculating the duplex. For 213 it is 2 into 3 into 2, so and then plus 1 square. Yes or no? And if I look at the last term here, 3 into 3, so 3 into 3 is 18, sorry, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 2 is 18, and plus 2 into 1 is 2, and 2 into 2 is 4, so we get 22. So what we got? We got 22. I'm writing it as such, that because this is the extreme left term. Now I just have to do the adjustment. So 21 will become 23, 22 will become 23, and this will be 3 6 9. So what will be the last four terms? Last four terms will be 3 3 6 9. So that is the last four term of the square of this number. Let us quickly do one more problem just to be very sure about the process. So they are asking what is the last three digit number of this square. So I'll be writing duplex of 4, and then I'll be writing duplex of 24, and here I will be writing a duplex of 524. So it will be what? It will be 16 1 6, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 is 16, again 16. And then how much is that? 5 into 4 20, 20 into 2 40, 40 plus 4 44. So I'm writing 44 as such without any adjustment or something, because this is the extreme left term. Now if I take in this side, it will become 45. 6 plus 1 will become 7, and this will be 6. So what are the last three digits? 5 7 6. So if you find the square of this number and someone asks you what is the last three digits, so that is 5 7 and 6. So I hope you have understood the process that how to find the square of any number, and what is the concept of duplex. And especially this becomes very interesting when you have to find the last few digits, especially for a very big number, and doing the direct multiplication is kind of challenging. So that is all for this video. Keep watching and share with your friends also, and press the what do you call like button. Yes or no? मतलब ये बहुत जरूरी है कि आप उसको पसंद करें, तभी हम मोटिवेट रहेंगे. धन्यवाद.